Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So in the previous video we are in the middle of this designing the timer, right? So now we are showing this count in this time, but we need to decrease the timer every 1 second. So here in our app.js just I have taken it as a 10 thing. So let's try to decrease this one. So let's go to the timer. In order to decrease here, what we need to do? So we need to use the use effect. Okay. And here, so this should be called at the time of mounted, and what we need to do is, so here we need to call the setInterval. Okay, setInterval of, so we need to call every second, so that means every 1000 second I need to call. So that means what I need to do, I need to dispatch the function. So I need to dispatch it. So where, how can I dispatch? So I need to get the dispatch method. So this dispatch method I need to get it in our app.js. So in our code where it is located, the timer thing, we'll send the dispatch also to this one. So dispatch is equal to dispatch. Now let's go to the timer. So here we are dispatching dispatch, and here I will be starting something like type is equal to timer. So we are calling the type timer. And let's go to the app.js, and here we will have, where is our reducer? Yeah, and here I can have case timer. So return the state, okay. And also what I need to do, so here we are having the seconds remaining, right? Seconds remaining is equal to state dot seconds remaining -1. So every time I need to decrease it. So that's it. So now if you try to see the timer, everything is working fine. So where is this dispatch event and all those things? Nothing is there. Why it is coming all the time? Yeah. Now if you try to click on start, so it has to decrease. So it is decreasing two times. Why? Because so we know that the component will be initialized twice, right? So that is the reason it is initializing. So and also here we need to stop the interval. So when it is completed, or when we are going out of the component, we need to decrease, we need to remove it. So for that what I can do is constant id is equal to, I will take it, and here I will use the cleanup function. We have learned about this one. So clear interval, clear interval, and here what I can do, I will send this id. That's it. So automatically the timer will be, now this time only one time only it will be decreased. See 10, 9, 8, 7. So every time one only will be decreased. Why? Because that previously created component also will be destroyed. So now interval has been cleared. Now what I need to do is, so when it goes to the 0, then automatically we need to show the restart page. So that is nothing but finish screen. So that means in our app.js only, what I need to do here, then the timer. So the status I need to change it to finished. So when I need to finish, when the state dot seconds remaining is equal to 0, then I need to go to the finished state. So that means it should be finished, or otherwise it should be state dot status only. So that means whatever the status is there, it should be like this only. Now if I click on the start, let's refresh this page. Now if I click on the start, so this 10, 9, if you try to see the output for this one, now if it goes to 0, automatically the state will be finished. I think it will go to the, yeah, here it has went to the page. So now everything is perfect. So now the last one what I need to do is, so here we are showing it like this, right? So somehow we need to adjust the timer. So we are having 15 questions. Let's say that each question will take we will apply nearly 30 seconds of time. So that means 15 into 30 it should be the total timer. How many questions are there we are displaying into 30 seconds. So for this one means where I need to apply, when we are clicking on the start button, then we need to decide the seconds. So start button where it is. So here when you are having a start button, here only I will decide the seconds remaining, how much it should be. Seconds remaining is equal to, by the time questions will be already initialized, so I can take the questions dot length, total questions I am taking, and each one I am applying 30 seconds. That's it. So seconds remaining is also has been applied. Now if I click on the start, see the total number of seconds has been assigned. But here what we need to do, here it is not nice showing the seconds like this. So then what we can show here, instead of showing it like this, we will show it as in 6 seconds or something like that. So for this one timer, so here we will write the minutes is equal to math.floor. I will use the math.floor. So here we got the seconds divided by 60. So that is nothing but number of minutes we will get it, and seconds we can get it by simple seconds modulus. So remainder we need to get 60. That's it. So these are the two things, and here instead of showing it like this, I can show minutes and I can show the seconds also. That's it. Now if you try to see here, see, so if you are having 0, 6 like that, if you want to show means, so here I can write in such a way that if minutes is less than 10, okay, and if minutes is less than 10, then I need to apply 0 or otherwise empty. We can keep it like this. See, 0 has been applied. In the same scenario for the seconds also, if you want to apply means, so the same thing you can write it here, this time seconds, okay. So now if you try to see here 0603, 0602, so now it is somewhat looking fine, right? So in this way we can display the timer. So now when the timer becomes 0, automatically what I can say, this one will be it goes to the restart. So here we are having these all related questions. I will commit this entire code in our GitHub repository. Whoever may be having doubts or anything, so they can go and see this one. So which continent is the driest and hottest on the earth? Which continent? Africa. Yeah, I know it. In which year did Columbus first reach the America? I don't know. So here, okay, 1492 is the correct answer. I asked you in your previous video to post in the comments. Let's see how many of them will comment that one. What is the largest mammal on the land? Is African elephant. And which gas makes up the majority of the, okay, this one childhood days only learned, nitrogen. Smallest prime number is 2. What is the world's largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. So this is also correct. Which planet is often referred to as the morning star? Venus. I know this one. What is the chemical symbol for water? This one is a very easy question. Who is the author of the Great Gatsby? I have seen this movie Great Gatsby. So Leonardo is there, and the Spider-Man guy also is there. So it's some like a drama oriented movie. I have seen this movie, but I don't know who is the author of this one. Let's say this one, yeah, Scott Fitzgerald, it seems. Okay, I have seen that movie Great Gatsby, so it will be very nice. So every day Gatsby will give party to all of his friends, and the Gatsby was the story which was written by that Spider-Man hero. I didn't remember the old Spider-Man hero, short guy. It will be you will be seeing. I don't know his name. So he will be narrating the story, the Great Gatsby story, in which Leonardo is the leading character. I have seen that movie. It looks very nice. It is very nice, the movie. It's a drama movie. So if you want means you can watch that movie. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? So the first time sun will rise in Japan, as we already know. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara? Yeah, all the time this one I am getting always wrong. Antarctica is the largest desert in the world means, yes, it's correct. So finish. So we got 120 out of 150, I think, from some wrong I kept. Okay, fine. So maybe some mistakes are there, I think, in my code. So if you want, you can also take my GitHub repository and you can correct it, and you can give me a pull request. So that's it, guys, about this total quiz app. So we have successfully developed this one. So the timer is also completed. So hope you understood about the concept of quiz app. Now you are comfortable with the useReducer and all those things. So that's it about this one. I will commit this entire code in a new branch, that is video-95. So here apply timer, added timer. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, if you want to refer the code means, the code is already in the GitHub repository URL. So you can watch, you can get that code for reference. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to the video. And all of the people, I am able to see that all the people are watching the video but they are not subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can get some motivation to do more videos. So that's it, guys, about this one. Thank you. We will see it in further React router. We will see. So routing concept we will enter. That's it, guys. Thank you.